Election Commission of India (ECI) has found Mizoram Chief Minister Lalduhoma in violation of the Model Code of Conduct during the campaign for 2 Dampa ST Assembly constituency by-election. The decision came following a complaint lodged by advocate Zothang Sangi Mar alleging that the Chief Minister's remarks breached electoral guidelines. After reviewing all records submitted by the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer Mizoram, the ECI concluded that the statement made by Lalduhoma contravened Para 6 of Part 7 of the Model Code of Conduct for the guidance of political parties and candidates. The Commission has directed District Election Officer of Mamit District to issue an order to the President of Mizoram People's Movement ZPM condemning the impunged statement. The ECI also instructed ZPM President to sensitize all star campaigners to strictly adhere to the Model Code of Conduct and to exercise caution in public utterances to maintain sanctity and integrity of the electoral process.